With round 2 of winter weather heading our way, there's an emphasis on staying safe on the roads this weekend. Graham Lee has more on what you need to know for the next few days and how GDOT is preparing to treat roads once again.
Sadie Michaud owns the CSRA driving school in North Augusta. She says road safety is an emphasis in each class, especially when it comes to changing weather conditions.
We always go through any type of adverse conditions in class, so most important thing I tell students, if they don't have to be on the road in adverse weather, don't be on the road.
Last week, GDOT treated state routes across our area to make the roads safer for drivers. Crews are getting ready to do that once again, but they'll only be treating certain routes because of the potential size of the storm.
We're going to be focusing on interstates first, then some of those critical, high-priority, multi-lane state routes. And one big change is we're not going to get all the lanes. So if it's a 2 lanes each direction kind of road, like rural sections of I-20, we're only getting the outside lane, the ramps. If it's 3 lanes, we're just getting the 2 outside lanes.
Workers are also planning to plow roads during the expected snowstorm and after it falls. Volk says they will treat roads based on priority.
We got more than 50 pieces of equipment equipped to be able to plow and salt roads, just treating by priority again, so interstates will get treated first, just trying to get 1 lane passable in each direction, then we'll move on down the list to high priority, medium, and then low.
Experts say if you do need to drive, make sure headlights and brake lights are working properly and to use extreme caution coming to intersections and turns.
Always apply the accelerator and brakes gently. You don't ever want to make aggressive hits to the brake or the accelerator in these kind of conditions. And if you do go into a skid, you need to steer in the direction of the skid, or steer into the direction that you want the vehicle to go.
GDOT also continues reminding the public to watch out for brine trucks and stay at least 100 feet back. They say drivers should not expect the roads to stay clear even after plows have passed. In Augusta, Graham Lee, WJBF News Channel 6.